First step is click on Customers, and you'll go ahead and add all their demographic details, as much or as little as you want. Things like date of birth, social, email, those things can be configured to be required or not required in the settings section of the program. We understand that some customers don't want to give their email out, they don't want marketing, and that's okay. Here you can see you can directly SMS the customer from their customer demographic screen. You can either choose a pre-made template or write your own custom message. If you have more than one location, select the location where they are registering. Now we'll go ahead and enter the address. The state is defaulted to your state of your store. However, you are able to click any state you want. Let's select how they heard about us. That way we can keep track of some marketing efforts to know if it's working. Here I'm going to add a note, and the note is this customer is allergic to metal, and we want to preserve that so next time they come in, we can cater to their needs. These are marketing communication alerts, so if somebody wants to opt out of text or email, they can do that. You'll do that right there for them. Hit that plus button, proceed to enter your prescription. You can either type or click using those boxes. If you have plus cylinder, you can configure those options in the settings to default that. Now, they also want a second pair of glasses, so we're going to hit that plus, add their prescription, and make a note that these are actually for reading. Now, notice that data service is highlighted in yellow. You can always backdate that eye exam date to a previous date. Once you're done here, click Save. Oh, before that, we're going to hit the referral, and that's the doctor's list, so you can always go back later and know who the doctor was. We're going to go select the frame the customer chose. You can type it in that search box or navigate through here. You can see the RX auto-populated. We're going to hit the magnifier button. And voila, there is the reading RX. We're going to select that one, so we're going to change it here. All right. You can always add those special measurements if you like. Now, I tried to proceed, but we forgot the PD, so we'll prompt you to add anything crucial that's missing so you can get to the next step. We're going to choose our lens material first, always, and then select the lens, and that'll auto narrow things down. Okay, let's pop some AR on there, and then I think we also would love a nice green, solid 90% tint. These are going to look amazing. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Add a polish, select our lab, and then finally we'll add some special instructions that these frames are fragile and we just want the lab to be careful and keep everyone happy. So here you can see we have the shopping cart. This auto save, so if you accidentally click out of it, don't worry about it. You can get connected back in. All right, now we're going to input the credit card type. If you are connected via CardPoint, it's a little different process, and we'll describe that in a separate video. All right, we'll hit the Pay Now button. This will take a second to load, and from here you'll be able to print your lab ticket, print your invoice, and even email it to the customer. Right, so you can see the customer 0640. Let's print that lab ticket. It has all the gritty details on it that we've added. Right, the invoice. You can download it as a PDF, even do whatever you need. And there's that email button. If you connect your email, this will go right to that customer's email on file. Now let's check out all the details. So we have the payment logged, beautiful, order notes, audit log, inventory of -1, and our lab order is sitting there chilling, waiting for us to send it to the lab.